Good morning, children. Let us revise the formulas once again. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Area of a square is equal to side into side. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Area of a parallelogram is equal to base into height. Area of a triangle is equal to half length into breadth or half base into height. Area of a rhombus is equal to half d1 d2. Today, the exercise that we are going to revise is exercise 5 and 6. In that, we are going to use the formula circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r, where pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. R is the radius. The other formula for this is circumference of a circle is equal to pi d. Let us draw a circle. If this is the center, from here to here if you draw a line, this is the radius r. And 2 times if you draw a line like this is the diameter. It is nothing but r plus r, which is 2r. Diameter is equal to 2r. So here in this one 2 pi r, 2r is equal to d. So the other formula is pi d, where d is the diameter of a circle. Understood, children? So now let us do exercise 5 problems. Let us do exercise 5 seventh problem. The ratio of the diameters of two circles is 3:4. Find the ratio of their circumferences. Find the ratio of their circumferences. So now let us start solving. Ratio of the diameters is equal to 3:4. This is what is given in the question. Now let the diameters be 3x and 4x. So let's consider this as d1 and this is d2. d2 we are taking it as 4x. Now you know that radius 1 r1 is equal to 3x by 2. 3x by 2. d1 is nothing but 2r. Okay, 2r1. d1 is equal to 2r1. Now from this we are trying to find out the value of r1. So r1 will be here and this is going to go to the other side, which is d1 by 2. What is d1? It is 3x. So you got r1 is equal to 3x by 2. Now let us write this. d2, so d2 is equal to 2r2. Now let us find out the value of r2. r2 is equal to d2 by 2. d2 by 2. What is d2? The value of d2, it is 4x by 2. 4x by 2. So here you know that the circumference of a circle formula is, let's write that, circumference of a circle C is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Now we are going to find out the ratio of their circumferences. The ratio of circumferences. So you know that there are two circles. So it is going to be 2 pi r1 divided by 2 pi r2. Substitute the values. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, pi and pi gets cancelled. So it is going to be r1 by r2. So r1 by r2. So this is nothing but 3x by 2 whole divided by 4x by 2. So 2 and 2 gets cancelled. You are left with 3 by 4. 3 by 4, this is nothing but 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4. Now remaining problems you work out, children. Let us do exercise 6, third problem. The length of the side of a grassy square plot is 80 meters. Two walking paths, each 4 meters wide, are constructed parallel to the sides of the plot such that they cut each other at the center of the plot. Determine the area of the paths. So let us draw the figure to understand this. They have given that it is a square. So let's draw a square. And here they have given that two walking paths, each 4 meters wide, are constructed parallel to the sides of the plot such that they cut each other at the center. That means here you are going to have the paths. In the center they are going to meet. In the center they are going to meet. Now let us write the length of the side. Each side is 80 meters. You know that all the sides in a square, they are equal. So it is 80 meters. 80 meters this side and 80 meters this side. And this width is 4 meters. The path width is 4 meters. Now they asked us determine the area of the paths. So this area we are supposed to find out. Okay. Now let us start solving. So before we solve, let us label this. If this is A, B, C, D is the grassy square plot, F, H, G, I, J, K, L. I, J, K, L. So now let us take the length of the side. Let's write the steps. Length of the side AB is equal to 80 meters. 80 meters. Now IJKL, IJKL, EFGH and EFGH are two parallel paths. So here the length L, they are rectangular shape. The paths are in rectangular shape. So the length is 80 meters and the breadth is 4 meters. The breadth is 4 meters. So now let us find the area of IJKL. So this is a rectangular shape. So it is length into breadth. What is the measure which is given? 80 meters into 4 meters. So 4 8s are 32. 1 0 is there, so add up 1 0. Meter into meter is meter square or square meters. Now let us find out the area of EFGH. It is also going to be 320 meter square. Now let us find out the area of the path. So here you can see that the two paths are intersecting at this point and this is a square. Let us label it PQRS. Area of PQRS is equal to, it is going to be side square. Each side is 4 meters. So 4 meters into 4 meters. 4 4s are 16. Meter into meter is meter square. Now let us find out the area of the path, which is equal to area of IJKL plus area of EFGH minus area of PQRS. Let's substitute the values. 320 meter square plus 320 meter square minus 16 meter square. So this is equal to 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 3 is 6 minus 16 meter square. In rough column, let us subtract 640 minus 16. 0 minus 6 we can't do, so cancel this. 10 minus 6 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2, and this is 6. So the answer is 624 meter square. Understood, children? Copy in your homework books. So let us do the first problem. A path 2.5 meters wide is running around a square field whose side is 45 meters. Determine the area of the paths. So first thing is, we know that a square field is there. Around this a path is running. Okay, so it's something like this. A path is there here. Determine the area of the path. So this area we have to find out. Okay, so let us write what this outer, let us label it as ABCD, this as PQRS. PQRS. Now first of all we have to find out the area of the ABCD and then subtract the area of PQRS. So the side, each side of this square is 45 meters. So 45 meters plus, you know that this width or this path length is 2.5 meters and the other side also 2.5 meters. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5 meters. So 45 plus 5 is 50 meters. Length of AB you got it as 50 meters. Length of this CD also is going to be the same. So there is no need for you to find out the length. Now let us find out the area of the square. Area of the square PQRS. What is the formula? Area of a square is equal to side into side, that is 45 meters into 45 meters. Now let us multiply in the rough column. 45 into 45. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. 4 5s are 20. 4 4s are 16, 17, 18. So 18. Now let us add. This is 5. This is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10 and this is 2. So it's 2025. 2025. Meter into meter is meter square. Meter square. Now let us find out the area of the square ABCD. ABCD. So this is going to be equal to 50 meters into 50 meters. Here we got one side is 50. So this is 50 into 50. 5 5s are 25. 0 and 0. So 2 zeros should be added and this is meter square. Now you have to find out the area of the path. Area of the path, this is equal to area of ABCD minus area of PQRS. PQRS. Now let us substitute the values. 2500 meter square minus 2025 square meters. Now let us subtract in the rough column. 2025. Subtraction if we do, this is going to be 491. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. 4 minus 0 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So the answer is 475 meters square. 475 meters square. Understood this, children? Copy in your homework books and see that you practice all the problems in this exercise 6 because it is very important and all the problems are unique. See you in the next class, children.